Excuse me, sir, do you have a moment?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I'm trying to find the Museum of Natural History. I think I got a little lost.
Yes, you're actually not too far from it.
That's a relief. I've been walking in circles for about 20 minutes.
No worries. Are you on foot or driving?
I'm on foot. I left my car at the hotel to enjoy the city.
Good idea. The museum is about 10 minutes from here. Walking.
Great. Could you tell me the way?
Sure. First, go straight along this street until you reach the second traffic light.
Got it. Second traffic light.
Then turn left onto Maple Avenue. You'll see a coffee shop on the corner, Joe's Cafe.
Okay, left at Joe's Cafe.
Walk 2 blocks down Maple Avenue. The museum will be on your right.
Is it a big building? Will I recognize it easily?
Yes, it's hard to miss. It's an old stone building with large banners out front.
Thanks a lot for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Have a great afternoon.